Welcome to Future Cars Updates, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury electric performance with the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire, a car that takes electric speed and refinement to an entirely new level. If you thought the previous Sapphire model was impressive, get ready to be blown away by what Lucid has in store for 2026. Lucid Motors has always been at the forefront of electric vehicle innovation, pushing boundaries with cutting-edge technology and mind-blowing performance. The Air Sapphire represents the pinnacle of their engineering expertise, blending hypercar-level acceleration with the comfort and luxury of a high-end sedan. This model isn't just about speed, it's about redefining what an electric luxury sedan can be. From the moment you set eyes on the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire, you know this car means business. The aerodynamic silhouette is both stunning and functional, reducing drag while maximizing efficiency. The aggressive front fascia, with its sleek LED lighting and sculpted hood, gives the Sapphire an unmistakable presence on the road. Carbon fiber elements have been strategically placed across the body, not just for aesthetics but also for weight reduction and improved performance. The wide stance and low profile enhance stability, ensuring that this EV grips the road with precision. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the chassis, lies the real magic of the Lucid Air Sapphire. This electric powerhouse is equipped with a triple-motor setup, delivering over 1,250 horsepower and more than 1,400 pound-feet of torque. These numbers translate to an insane 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 1.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest sedans in the world. The quarter-mile time, less than 9 seconds. This level of performance was once exclusive to hypercars, but Lucid is proving that electric sedans can dominate in both speed and luxury. One of the most significant upgrades for 2026 is the next-generation battery technology. Lucid's new high-density battery pack offers increased range without sacrificing performance. While official figures are yet to be confirmed, early reports suggest a range of close to 500 miles on a single charge, a game-changer for high-performance EVs. Fast charging capabilities have also been improved, allowing for an 80% charge in under 20 minutes using Lucid's ultra-fast DC charging system. But the Lucid Air Sapphire is not just about raw power, it's also about handling and precision. The advanced torque vectoring system ensures that power is distributed efficiently to each wheel, giving the car razor-sharp cornering abilities. The adaptive air suspension continuously adjusts to road conditions, offering the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising down the highway, this car delivers an unmatched driving experience. Step inside, and you're greeted by an interior that redefines luxury in the EV world. Lucid has gone all out with premium materials, handcrafted details, and state-of-the-art technology. The ultra-modern cockpit features a massive curved OLED display, integrating the driver's instrument cluster, infotainment system, and climate controls into one seamless interface. Lucid's AI-powered software learns your preferences and optimizes the driving experience based on real-time conditions. The seats are wrapped in the finest leather and Alcantara, providing ultimate comfort for long journeys. The rear seats offer a first-class experience, with reclining options, individual climate controls, and a premium entertainment system. A high-end surround sound system developed in collaboration with top audio engineers ensures that your music or podcasts sound phenomenal. Lucid has also taken autonomous driving to the next level. The 2026 Air Sapphire comes equipped with Lucid Dream Drive Ultra, featuring next-generation lidar, advanced radar sensors, and AI-powered predictive technology. This allows for Level 3 autonomy, meaning the car can handle most driving scenarios on highways with minimal driver input. Safety is a top priority for Lucid, and the Air Sapphire comes with a reinforced chassis, advanced collision avoidance systems, and emergency braking assist. The AI-driven driver monitoring system ensures that you remain alert and focused, adding an extra layer of security. Lucid's vision has always been to push the boundaries of electric mobility, and the 2026 Air Sapphire is proof that they are leading the charge. With hypercar performance, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious comfort, this sedan is a statement of what the future holds for EV enthusiasts. Of course, this level of engineering brilliance doesn't come cheap. The expected starting price for the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire is around $250,000, putting it in the same league as high-end luxury sports cars. But for those who want the absolute best in electric performance, the price is well worth it. So, what do you think of the 2026 Lucid Air Sapphire? Is this the ultimate electric sedan, or do you think another brand can challenge Lucid's dominance? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the hottest cars of the future. Thanks for watching Future Cars Updates, and we'll see you in the next video.